You're driving down the road, wind in your hair, with your trusty four-wheeled companion by your side. But have you ever wondered how to keep that loyal sidekick running smoothly while also saving some of your hard-earned cash? Well, you're in the right video, because today we're going to share some practical steps to help you maintain your vehicle like a pro. Exciting, right? If you're ready to learn how to save money and extend the life of your car through smart vehicle maintenance, then buckle up and hit that subscribe button. All right, let's start. 1. Basic car maintenance skills. As Henry Ford, the founder of Ford Motor Company, once said, the only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. So let's dive into some basic skills you can learn to save money and boost your vehicle's lifespan. First up, changing your car's oil. Performing your own oil changes can save you up to $120 a year. That's a nice chunk of change, right? All you need are a few basic tools, the right oil for your car, and a filter. Don't forget to safely dispose of your old oil. Now, let's talk about air filters. A dirty air filter can reduce your fuel efficiency, costing you more money at the pump. Plus, a clogged filter can put a strain on your engine. Luckily, replacing your air filter is an easy DIY task that can save you roughly $20 to $60. Checking tire pressure is also key. Maintaining proper tire pressure improves fuel efficiency by up to 3%. This not only helps your wallet but also ensures optimal handling and longer tire life. Just remember, tire pressure should be checked when the tires are cold to get an accurate reading. Finally, don't forget your windshield wiper blades. They might seem insignificant, but poor visibility during adverse weather conditions can be a safety risk. Replacing them when they start to streak is an inexpensive and simple task. These are just a few of the many basic maintenance tasks that you can learn to do yourself. The beauty of the internet is that there's a wealth of tutorials available at your fingertips. 2. DIY car wash and detailing. Let's shift gears to another key aspect of vehicle maintenance, car wash and detailing. Firstly, you'll need some basic supplies. A two-bucket system for washing, one for soapy water and one for rinsing, a good quality car soap, a sponge, a brush for tires, microfiber towels for drying, and a vacuum cleaner for the interiors. Washing your car yourself allows you to pay special attention to areas that automatic car washes often miss, like the wheel wells and beneath the spoilers. Plus, DIY washing helps prevent the small scratches and swirl marks that automatic car washes can leave behind. And how about that feeling of satisfaction when your car is spotless and you know you did it all by yourself? Priceless, isn't it? Detailing, on the other hand, is more thorough. It involves a deep clean of both the interior and exterior. For this, you might need a few more supplies, like a clay bar kit for removing embedded contaminants from your car's paint and a car wax or a sealant to protect the finish. Inside your car, don't forget to vacuum regularly and clean surfaces with a suitable interior cleaner. It's also a good idea to use a fabric protector on your seats to keep them looking new. Doing this can save you hundreds of dollars a year while also maintaining the value of your car. 3. Buying parts yourself. Alright, let's shift gears again and look under the hood at an often overlooked area where you can save money, buying car parts yourself. How can you do this? There are many online retailers and discount stores where you can buy auto parts. Some popular websites include eBay Motors, Amazon Automotive, and AutoZone. These sites often have competitive prices, and you can even score a deal if there's a sale going on. When buying parts, make sure you know the exact specifications. It's a good idea to consult with your mechanic or consult your car's manual to ensure you're buying the right parts. Keep in mind, though, that not all mechanics will install parts bought elsewhere, so make sure to have this conversation beforehand. And by the way, if you want to learn more frugal habits aside from car maintenance that will help you save money, we got tons of videos you can check in the description box. 4. Fuel efficiency tips. Elon Musk once said, you want to have a future where you're expecting things to be better, not one where you're expecting things to be worse. And that starts with improving your car's fuel efficiency. One way to do this is by maintaining a steady speed. Every time you accelerate and decelerate, you're using more fuel than if you were cruising at a constant speed. It's similar to when you're running. It takes more energy to start and stop than it does to keep a steady pace. Reducing the weight of your car can also make a significant difference. Have you ever noticed that it's harder to push a heavily loaded shopping cart than an empty one? The same principle applies to your vehicle. Extra weight means your engine has to work harder and burn more fuel. So clean out your trunk and only carry what's necessary. Avoiding excessive idling can also help. If you're waiting for more than a minute, it's more fuel efficient to turn off the engine and restart it when needed. And guess what? This is also good for the environment as it reduces greenhouse gas emissions. Another tip is to plan your trips efficiently. If you can, combine errands into one trip, as several short trips taken from a cold start can use twice as much fuel as one trip covering the same distance when the engine is warm. And keeping your tires properly inflated can also help improve fuel efficiency. 5. Preventative maintenance. It's time to dive into the heart of maintaining your car. Let's start with regular tune-ups. A tune-up keeps your engine running smoothly and at its peak efficiency. Neglecting this can result in expensive repairs, with an average cost of $356. So a regular tune-up is definitely a more affordable option than potential repairs. Moving on to the wheels, tire rotations and balancing are essential. They help ensure that your tires wear evenly, extending their lifespan and improving fuel efficiency. Just as a well-balanced diet is beneficial for your health, a well-balanced tire is beneficial for your vehicle's health. Another preventative maintenance task is replacing your car's air filters. A clogged air filter makes your car's engines work harder and consume more fuel. Changing air filters when needed helps your car breathe easier, improves fuel efficiency, and extends engine life. Next is the task of checking your vehicle's fluids. We're talking about brake fluid, transmission fluid, power steering fluid, and coolant. These fluids play crucial roles in the performance and safety of your vehicle. Neglecting them can lead to premature wear and tear, system failures, and expensive repairs. One thing many car owners neglect is the timing belt. The timing belt synchronizes the rotation of the crankshaft and the camshaft. If it breaks, it can cause significant engine damage. Replacing it as recommended can save you from a hefty repair bill. What preventative maintenance routines do you follow for your car? Let's discuss in the comments below. 6. Understanding your vehicle. Let's shift gears now and discuss a crucial aspect of frugal car ownership that often goes overlooked: understanding your own vehicle. Many people leave the manual untouched in the glove compartment, but it's an invaluable resource. It contains the recommended maintenance schedule, which is your timeline for when to change the oil, when to replace the timing belt, and when to perform other essential maintenance tasks. Beyond the maintenance schedule, your car's manual also offers a wealth of knowledge about troubleshooting minor problems. Got a light on your dashboard you don't recognize? Check the manual. A strange noise when you turn on the air conditioning? Check the manual. Also, did you know that different models and sometimes different years of the same model can require different parts? Knowing the exact model, make, and year of your car is crucial when purchasing parts yourself. Understanding your car also involves knowing its quirks and recognizing when something's off. Every car is unique and may have its own set of quirks. You may know your car makes a certain noise when you start it in cold weather, or maybe it has a slight pull to one side. Being familiar with these quirks can help you notice when something changes, which could be a sign of an issue that needs attention. 7. Choosing a trustworthy mechanic. Now that you have your DIY skills up and running, let's get into a different lane. Not every issue with your car can be fixed with DIY repairs. There are times when you will need a professional mechanic, but how do you ensure that you're choosing a trustworthy one? Firstly, word of mouth is a powerful tool. Just as you'd ask friends and family for a doctor's recommendation, do the same when searching for a mechanic. Personal experiences are often the most honest reviews you can get. When someone you trust has had a good experience with a mechanic, there's a high chance you will too. Reading online reviews can be another effective method. While these reviews should be taken with a grain of salt, a pattern of positive or negative changes can give you a good idea about a mechanic's reputation. It's also wise to get multiple